In the spring and fall, I put pelletized gypsum on my yard, and I've done this for years. Works really well. It helps break down any thatch that's in the yard. And if you have slime mold, which looks like somebody poured oil on your yard, on the grass, the leaves looks just like that. You apply this gypsum, it'll take care of that mold. It also helps loosen compacted clay soils. It supplies calcium and sulfur for your lawn. It helps repair turf damage from road salt and animal burns. And be sure and buy pelletized. The powder is a big mess. This is dusty a little bit. It's not too bad, but the powder form is awful. It's just like baking flour. I think it's even worse because it's powdery. It's a mineral and a big mess. So be sure and get pelletized, but follow all the directions on the bag of what the manufacturer recommends on how much to put on in those things. But it's pretty simple. And I'm using a broadcast spreader. I like those over drop spreaders. Drop spreaders, you have to be so meticulous on exactly where you go, and I like the coverage of a broadcast spreader. But one thing you want to make sure is when you're using that, you keep the openings closed and you're sitting still, or else the product will run out and you'll get a pile and things. It's worse with fertilizer because you can burn the lawn. But then when you stop, you want to close those openings in the bottom of the spreader so that the product doesn't fall out. Then when you get going, you just open it up. But I've already put some of the product in the spreader. I can only fit about half a bag because my spreader is small, but just put it on and put it on your yard. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.